Why choose a diploma in aeronautical engineering? A diploma in aeronautical engineering is an excellent choice for individuals passionate about aviation, aircraft design, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a strong foundation for a rewarding career in the aeronautical industry, combining theoretical knowledge with practical skills. Below are the key reasons why pursuing this diploma can be a smart career move. Number 1. High demand in a growing industry. The aviation and aerospace industry is constantly expanding, driven by technological advancements, increasing air travel, and innovations like sustainable aviation. Skilled aeronautical engineers are in high demand to A. Design and manufacture modern aircraft. B. Maintain and repair aviation systems. C. Develop sustainable and efficient technologies. Number 2. Wide range of career opportunities. A diploma in aeronautical engineering opens doors to diverse career paths in both the public and private sectors. Job roles include A. Aircraft maintenance engineer, AME, ensuring the airworthiness of aircraft. B. Design engineer, creating innovative aircraft components and structures. C. Quality control specialist, monitoring manufacturing standards. D. Technician, conducting technical and operational support. Graduates can work in 1. Aerospace companies. 2. Airlines. 3. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO, organizations. 4. Government aerospace and defense sectors. Number 3. Short duration with practical learning. Diploma programs typically span 2 to 3 years, offering a quicker pathway to enter the workforce compared to traditional degree programs. The curriculum focuses on A. Hands-on training in workshops and labs. B. Practical exposure to aircraft systems and components. C. Internships and industry-specific projects. Number 4. Cost-effective option. Diplomas are generally more affordable than full-fledged degree programs, making them a cost-effective choice for gaining specialized education. They also allow students to A. Start earning earlier. B. Pursue higher education later, such as a bachelor's degree, if desired. Number 5. Foundation for advanced studies. A diploma in aeronautical engineering serves as a stepping stone for advanced studies, including A. Bachelor's and master's degrees in aeronautical or aerospace engineering. B. Specialized certifications like EASA or FAA licensing for aircraft maintenance engineers. C. This progression enhances career prospects and earning potential. Number 6. Focus on innovation and technology. Aeronautical engineering is at the forefront of technological advancements, including A. Development of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and drones. B. Innovations in sustainable aviation fuels and electric aircraft. C. Enhancements in avionics and autonomous flight systems. D. Students interested in cutting-edge technologies will find this field highly engaging and intellectually stimulating. Number 7. Global opportunities. The aviation industry is inherently global, offering opportunities to work in different countries and with multinational organizations. Countries like the USA, UAE, Canada, and Germany have thriving aerospace sectors, and a diploma can pave the way for international career prospects. Number 8. Passion for aviation and space exploration. For individuals fascinated by the mechanics of flight, the workings of aircraft, and the possibilities of space exploration, aeronautical engineering aligns perfectly with their interests. It allows students to channel their passion into a fulfilling career. In conclusion, choosing a diploma in aeronautical engineering offers an exciting mix of opportunities in one of the most innovative and essential industries in the modern world. It's a perfect choice for individuals eager to combine technical expertise with a passion for aviation, setting them on a path to a bright and promising career. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.